everyone, I want to thank you so much for coming back to my channel today. If today is your first time, I do want to welcome you. On today's episode, we'll be making my delicious nutty banana bread. If you try this bread, you will want to try it again. Anyway, so I'm going to quickly go through the ingredients which I'm using. Here I have 4 large eggs, 1 cup of oil. I have half a cup of granulated white sugar. Here are my nuts. I have 1 cup of brown sugar. I have salt, a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of baking soda. Here I have my mashed bananas. I have about 5 of them here. Here I have 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Here, this is another bowl I'm going to use to mix all the wet ingredients. And here are my baking tins. I've already greased and floured them. If you want to know how I make this delicious banana bread, please stay tuned. I will take it step by step. Once again, I do want to thank you so much for coming by today. Should you have any questions, please drop it down below for me, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Until next time, thank you and God bless you. Remember, life without Jesus Christ is lifeless. Thank you once again. Bye-bye. So the first thing we need to do is to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then let's get started mixing the ingredients. So to this flour, I'm going to add my baking soda and the salt. And then we are going to mix it. And set that aside. Now let's pour in our egg. Beat it just a little bit. Now that our eggs has been beaten, let's go ahead and add the sugar, the granulated white sugar, and the brown sugar, and beat that as well until it's completely mixed. Now we can go ahead and add our 1 cup of oil. Slightly beat that as well. And next, we can add our mashed bananas. And I'm going to add a little bit of my banana extract, maybe a tablespoon of that. Okay. And let's lightly beat that as well. As you can see, this recipe is very simple. If you are looking for a very quick and simple dessert recipe, this is it. Okay. Now let's add our nuts, and that's it. After mixing it, we are ready to pour that into our mixed flour. Stay tuned as we do that. So let's create a well in the middle of the flour and pour this mixture gradually as we mix it. All you are doing is simply mixing everything into the batter. Into the flour. So our batter is ready to go inside the oven. So let's do that. We are going to bake this for about an hour. Or you can just simply insert a toothpick inside, and if it comes out clean, then it means it's completely baked. So let's stay tuned until our banana bread is ready. Hi everyone, so our banana bread is ready. I do want to thank you so much for staying tuned and coming by today. I'm gonna go ahead and cut, and so we can take a look. Oh my god, look at that. That's gorgeous and it's so moist. Now let's give it a try. It's so delicious. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Until next time, bye bye.